now ready to race. And the race is on. Sharp Cookie rushing up his Diamond Magic. And by the rally Sparks Rat, moving up his Senor Elijah. Nerves of Steel rushing in fifth position. The Real Thing, Strong Boy, Noble Quest, and Elgin. Elgin is the early trailer. Diamond Magic by Sam 5 lengths, followed by 3 runners. Foxtrot by Doral in the middle. Senor Elijah alongside Nerves of Steel as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Diamond Magic by Sam 5 lengths. Nerves of Steel is now running in second. Senor Elijah racing in third by Doral, rushing up Shark Cookie. Foxtrot Danori inside fifth. Then here comes Strong Boy, is rushing up from the outside, working towards the back. Diamond Magic, Nerves of Steel. Strong Boy from the outside, Foxtrot down on the inside, Sharp Cookie also rushing up. Rounding the far turn, Diamond Magic maintaining a 3-length lead. Foxtrot down on the inside, Strong Boy, Sharp Cookie, Nerves of Steel racing in fourth. Racing towards the last 450. Diamond Magic still leading the pack by some 4 lengths. Foxtrot's running in second. Sharp Cookie is Strong Boy. The favorite is racing in fourth by Doral Noble Quest. And nearing the finish line, Diamond Magic. Foxtrot rushing up from the outside. It's now Foxtrot, Diamond Magic down on the inside, fighting back. Foxtrot, Diamond Magic, and finally number 1, Foxtrot, Diamond Magic, Sharp Cookie, Strong Boy, Noble Quest for your Fantafecta. Then comes Senor Elijah, the Real Thing, Elgin.